AltaPay makes payments less complicated. AltaPay's mission is to allow clients to gain control over their payments, get insight into the complicated world of payments by creating transparency, and enable change, growth, and global expansion. We ensure higher rates of conversion by offering reliable cross-border, omni-channel payment coverage across multiple currencies and preferred local payment methods. We improve financial transparency and reduce operational costs with our automated bookkeeping and data reconciliation. AltaPay is fully integrated with our clients' existing systems to offer a streamlined, scalable, and highly secure payment solution. Our unique approach sets us apart from our competitors, and therefore we refer to ourselves as a global payment management company. AltaPay's growth has been accelerated over the past 18 months with an average growth rate of above 100%. We have during the past 7 years since our start in Copenhagen expanded to countries like Germany, England and the USA, and we continue to grow rapidly. We work with large international companies such as Kate Spade, Beoplay, Boozt.com and WideAway. We are consistently in dialogue with numerous interesting companies who are looking to expand their overall businesses. We are proud to be an international company with employees from all around the world, consisting of 11 different nationalities. Our team has been delivering phenomenal growth beyond expectations, being self-financed in the fintech marketplace where investments are more than $20 billion in 2015. With our innovative IT platform, we automate all financial data reconciliation on behalf of our customers, allowing businesses to see end-to-end transaction data in the format that their business requires and continuously update it to real-time refund and fraud management information. This reduces the level of administrative work for our clients and results in our clients being able to concentrate all their efforts on sales and delivering their products to even more geographies. We strengthen our teamwork with weekly activities that varies from a game of table football, squash to mountain bike rides in the forest. Vote for us, because we make a difference for our clients by putting their interests first and by creating transparency in the complex world of payments. Vote for us, because we make payments less complicated.